Uh, Good afternoon. We are at JPC. My name is Pumi Kolminebs. Today we have a special guest, another special guest. He's gonna introduce himself. Over to you.
Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Innocent Mshomo. Firstly, I love to say that I'm a servant of God before everything else, and then I'm a husband, second, and then thirdly, I'm a father, and lastly, I'm also a runner. So that's how I introduce myself.
Thank you. We call him Yeah, he's mentioned a number of things, but the one we will dwell on today is the last one, which is the runner. So he's telling us that he is serving God through running. And that's what we will talk about today. So I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna give over to to tell us how exactly does he serve God by running. So over to you, tell us more.
Okay, thank you very much. So the reason why I'm saying that I'm saving Christ in running is because I didn't know that I'm a runner before I even came to faith. So I came to faith 2023, and then I prayed for God's guidance. I was like, God, can you please guide me? I'm ready to follow you now. And then God showed me the purpose, the reason why I need to wake up every morning and serve Him. So I started by running. I went out and ran, and I bumped into Stuart Lane, the first man who got me this watch that I'm wearing today, and he got me my first shoe. So when I bumped into him, he introduced me to church, the church that I attend today, which is Christ Church the Glory. And then from there, so everything kept on unfolding in terms of my running. So that's why I'm saying I serve God in running. How do I serve God in running? When I'm running, I'm not running to race or to win the race. I'm running to help others to achieve their goals. So we have a video, a YouTube channel of which is Dr. Vilagazi. You can check it on YouTube, whereby you'll be able to see God's work. You'll be able to see us how we serve God through running, because we help people to reach their goals. Go there. I have my co-partner, Dr. Vilagazi, trusted pastor, well known as well. So also him, what it does is serve God, because we're not chasing any goals. We just want people to cross the finish line in the time that they desire. So we always push people to keep on going and keep on climbing and keep on doing better.
Thank you very much. There's a video. It's gonna give us the name of the YouTube channel. What is the name of the YouTube channel?
YouTube channel is Dr. Villagas.
Dr. Villagaza. That's where you get more. But I've got one question. Yes, you run, you help people. How do we link that to serving God?
The reason why I'm saying we're serving God in terms of our running, there are people who are unable to run, not because they don't want to run, but because of disabilities and stuff. So the reason why I'm saying I'm serving God, I'm running on their behalf. So the marathon that I go to, that's why I will make sure that it's documented so that people can watch it and experience running in their bed while they are watching us on YouTube. So that's why we're serving God. So when we go there, we're not going there with our intentions to win the race or to become better than anyone. But when we go in there, we're going to show people what God can do in someone else's life, how He can change your life. Because I didn't even know that I was a runner before. So that's why I'm saying, like, in terms of running, it's not about racing, but it's about serving God.
Look, for me, it's a very fascinating story. Hence, we brought him here to share his story. There are many ways of serving God. It's not limited to only preaching or maybe running. You can do other things that God is giving you to serve Him and spread the word of God. This is Eno's story, and we thank Him for that. And for now, cheers till we meet again. Thank you.